Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a loo chemical. And I say chemical because a lot of the ingredients in this are quite natural. This is Solbio. It's a UK company. I spotted them actually on the Caravan and Motorhome Club's website and they were offering a discount. And I thought, I wouldn't mind having a look at that, see whether our subscribers would be interested in it. Especially if you go on CLs, because they're generally farms and you want a natural product that's going to do its job, but at the same time not harm the environment. So I thought, I'll contact them, see what they say. And they were happy to send along one of their packs, and here it is. So what we're going to do over the next couple of weeks, we're going to trial it out. But first of all, let's take a look at what Solbio is. So what makes this different from all the other chemicals that you use for your loo? Well, the word is chemicals because this is chemical free. It has natural soaps in it which break down the waste and also the toilet tissue paper, which I think is a really good idea. And if you're going to a lot of places where they have septic tanks, organic septic tanks, this is going to be perfect because it's not going to harm the natural enzymes that break down the waste. Now on the back there's also the instructions and how to use it, and also down here the actual amount of product that you've got in here till it's empty. Now you can use this in several ways really. First of all, you can put a measure in a measure cup and you can pour it into your cassette tank, and that will help break the waste down. You can also put an amount of it in your cistern as well, and it'll help keep the cistern smelling fresh, and so will the toilet bowl. Now if you're one of them people that don't like using the actual cistern to flush, then that's not a problem neither, because you can actually put an amount of this inside a spray bottle and fill it up with water, and you can use it that way as well, which I think is a really good idea. Now we're going to be testing this for the next couple of weeks when we go away, and we're going to let you know at the end of the video what we think. Now at the moment, if you're actually a Caravan and Motorhome Club member, if you go on the site, you can find this on here with a discounted price. If not, you can actually buy it direct from the company. I'm going to leave links to where you can get it from inside the video description. So let's jump forward to now and we'll see what Phil and Juliet thought of this product. So we're on site now and we're getting ready to use the Solbio for the first time. Now what they recommend at Solbio is you clean your tank first of all and make sure that your cassette is fully sterile, and also flush out your cistern as well if you're going to be using it in that. Now the reason why they recommend this is an organic product and they don't want it mixing with the chemicals that you've perhaps used in the past, and it'll be more effective if it's clean first off. So to do our first one, what it recommends is we have 40 millilitres inside the cassette. Now I've got a little beaker here and I'm just going to fill it. There's 50. So just underneath the 50 mark, and it's very easy to do because what you do is you just take the plastic cap off and just pour in until you reach about 40 mil, which is what I've got there. And it's simple, just put it in the tank like you would normally. Like so. And it's good to go. So we'll pop that in and I'll put some in the flush tank as well. Well folks, that is the Solbio cassette and cistern fluid. We've been using it for 5 days now. It's done its job. It's been very good actually. The one thing I will say is it's got a unique smell to it, and it's something that would take some getting used to. Yes,
it's a eucalyptus smell, so it's a very natural smell. It's just something that I suppose has not come across before, because it is a natural smell, so it would take you,
yeah, because your brain's sort of tuned to chemical smells or false or fake smells. Well, this is more of a natural smell, isn't it?
Yeah, so
it will take you a while, but do I think it's a good product? Yeah, I think it is, and it does a really good job. It's not the cheapest on the planet, I will say that, but it is fully organic, and that's probably why it's a little bit more expensive. What I would recommend is you try the smaller pack first to see if you can get on with it and you can use it. I'll leave links in the description below and you can check it out for yourself. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.